Hello everyone, myself Snehar. I am currently pursuing my education at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and I am bearing USN 1V 21 CS 167 and I am from Department of CSE. Today we are going to see about the human heart. So let's see what is heart. The heart is a fist-sized organ that pumps blood throughout your body. It's a primary organ of your circulatory system. Your heart contains four main sections made up of muscles and powered by electrical impulses. So let's see what is the heart function. Your heart's main function is to move blood throughout your body. Your heart also controls the rhythm and speed of your heart rate, maintains your blood pressure. So let's see human heart and their parts. This is a diagram of the human heart. So in this diagram, we can see that the heart is divided into four chambers: the right atrium, left atrium, and right ventricle and left ventricle. And these are the parts of the human heart. So let's see how does your heart work with the other organs. Your heart works with other body system to control your heart rate and other body functions. The primary systems are the nervous system and endocrine system. The nervous system, your nervous system helps control your heart rate. It sends signals that tell your heart to beat slower during the rest and the faster during the stress. So your endocrine system sends out hormones. These hormones tell your blood vessels to constrict or relax, which affects your blood pressure. Hormones from your thyroid gland can also tell your heart to beat faster or slow. If we move forward, let's see what are the parts of heart's anatomy. The parts of your heart are like the parts of a house. Your heart has walls, chambers, valves, blood vessels, electrical conduction system. Your heart walls are the muscles that contract and relax to send blood throughout your body. A layer of muscular tissue called the septum divides your heart walls into the left and right sides. Your heart walls have three layers: endocardium, myocardium, and epicardium. So, endocardium means the inner layer, and myocardium means the muscular middle layer, and epicardium is a protective outer layer. So, let's see heart chambers. Your heart is divided into four chambers. You have two chambers on the top and two on the bottom, one on each side of the heart. Right atrium. Two large veins deliver oxygen poor blood to your body atrium. So the superior vena cava carries blood from your upper body. The inferior vena cava brings the blood from the lower body. So then the right atrium pumps the blood to your right ventricle. The right ventricle, the lower right chamber, pumps the oxygen poor blood to your lungs through the pulmonary artery. The lungs reload blood with the oxygen. So left atrium. After the lungs fill blood with oxygen, the pulmonary veins carry the blood to your left atrium. This upper chamber pumps to your left ventricle. Left ventricle. The left ventricle is slightly towards the right. It pumps oxygen rich blood to the rest of your body. So let's see heart valves. Your heart valves are like doors between your heart chambers. They open and close to allow blood to flow through. The atrioventricular valves open between your upper and lower heart chambers. They include tricuspid valve, door between your right atrium and right ventricle; mitral valve, door between your left atrium and left ventricle; semilunar valves open when blood flows out your ventricles. They include aortic valves, opens when blood flows out of your left ventricle to your aorta, and also pulmonary valve opens when blood flows from your right ventricle to the pulmonary arteries. So let's see conditions and disorders which affect the human heart. Heart conditions are among the most common types of disorders affecting people. In the United States, the heart disease is the leading cause of death for the people of all genders and the most ethnic and racial groups. Common conditions that affect your heart include atrial fibrillation, irregular electrical impulses in your atrium, the arrhythmia, a heartbeat that is too fast or too slow or beats within an irregular rhythm. Cardiomyopathy, unusual thickening, enlargement or stiffening of your heart muscle. Congestive heart failure. When your heart is too stiff or too weak to properly pump the blood throughout your body. Coronary artery disease. Plaque buildup that leads to a narrow coronary arteries. Heart attack is sudden coronary artery blockage that cuts off oxygen to your part of your heart. Muscle pericarditis, inflammation in your heart's lining. So let's see how can we keep our heart healthy, or like how can I keep my heart healthy. So if you have a condition that affects your heart, follow your healthcare provider's treatment plan. It's important to take medications as prescribed. You can also make lifestyle changes to keep your heart healthy. You may achieve and maintain a healthy weight of your sex and age. Drink alcohol in a moderation. Eat a heart healthy diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables and also whole grains. Exercise moderately for at least 150 minutes per week. Limit your sodium intake. Manage your stress with a healthy strategies like meditation or journaling. Quit smoking and using tobacco products, and also avoid using second hand smoke. So thank you for watching my video.